Hey everyone, welcome back to WooCommerce, your go-to spot for WooCommerce tips and tricks. In today's quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to filter products by sales status right from your WordPress dashboard. Whether you're running discounts or managing limited-time offers, this feature will save you time and keep your store organized. Let's dive in. Filtering products by sales status right inside your WordPress dashboard isn't just a time saver, it's a smart move for store management. Whether you're running flash sales, tracking discounted items, or just want a quick look at what's currently on offer, this filter gives you instant clarity. Instead of manually checking each product, you can view all sale items at a glance, update prices faster, and plan your marketing strategies more efficiently. It keeps your workflow smooth and your promotions on point, right where they should be. Next, let's see how we can add this function to the WordPress website. We do not need to use any dedicated WordPress plugins for this task. With a little bit of coding, you can complete this task, and the code we are going to use is pasted in the video description. You can copy it from there and paste it to your theme's functions.php file. If you have a child theme, this would be the ideal option, or you need to use a plugin like Code Snippets to handle the third-party codes. In our case, we will be using the Code Snippets plugin. So if you haven't, install and activate the plugin. Once you have finished the activation, you can see the plugin's settings on the left-hand side. There, add a new code snippet and paste the code. You can name it however you like. Once you are done, save the changes. Next, you can go to the WooCommerce Products section and see the newly added filtering option. You can switch the sales status from the drop-down and track the products based on that specific status. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WooCommerce for more WooCommerce tips every week. Have questions or want us to cover something specific? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.